friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be cooking frozen cream cheese wontons in the air fryer. So let me open up a package of frozen cream cheese wontons. And take out the air fryer basket. And I will put the cream cheese wontons in the air fryer basket in a single layer. So no need to defrost. The air fryer will cook them straight from frozen. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 370 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 7 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look at the cream cheese wontons. Look at that, perfectly cooked, so nicely browned. I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. The outside is so crispy and so nicely browned, and inside is perfectly cooked. Let me just cut it so you can see. See, it's perfectly cooked. The cream cheese is fully melted. I'm so excited about trying it. I'm just going to dip it in a dipping sauce that came with a package of these cream cheese wontons. So I just defrost it in the microwave and put it in a little bowl. So let's try it. Tastes amazing. This is so delicious. Tastes just like the appetizers in a Chinese restaurant. You will love cooking this cream cheese wontons in the air fryer. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!